Hey there, this is how to play Monopoly Go as a beginner. So, this is pretty much the same thing as the original Monopoly, but just digital. So, you just roll the die, move the steps, and gather property, gather rent, and gather money. So, let me do that for a second. So, I just got six, so I just moved six parts or like six steps, and you find a bunch of notes in your tuxedo pocket. So I just gained $80. Great. And now let me tell you about the other options that you have in the game. So if you look at the top right, you're gonna find the shield. So what you can do in the game, uh, you can gain money by attacking other people's property. But just like how you can do that, they can do that to yours. So these shields shield you or shield your properties from attacks from other villagers or like other players. And if you look at the bottom, you're going to find a panel. And if you look at the right, you're going to find friends. If you click on that, you can add friends from Facebook or your contacts. And this is going to give you dice rolls as well. But yeah, you can play with people from all over the world. You can play with people from your Facebook. And if you go to the leaderboard, for example, you can see where your place is amongst your friends or locally in your country or globally all over the world. And if you click on the build option, for example, right now I'm in New York and I already built the bridge, the Brooklyn Bridge, and the Statue of Liberty, but I can go ahead and build another property, for example. And this is how I gain tokens. So I just gained a fourth token. Amazing. Net worth upgrade. So I just gained some dice rolls. I'll collect that. Amazing. And now once you buy the property, you can upgrade it. So I can just upgrade this property that I just bought. This looks great. And now if I go back to my my board, if you noticed in the beginning, there were two houses that just landed on my board. And this is how you get rent from other players. So if other players land on these houses, you get rent from them and you gain more money. And what else can we do? You can also, let me click on the three lines at the top right corner. And I want to show you something in the settings. So let's go to the settings. So they have a nice option in the notifications. So let me go in there. They have a quiet hours option. So if you turn that on, you can just disable the notifications from Monopoly Go. Let's say you have work at a specific time of the day. You can just use the quiet hours for disabling the notifications. And what you can also do is if you go back, you can change the language, whether you want English or Espanol or Portuguese or Italian, so whatever you like. And you can also control the sound and music and manage your account in general. And you can also contact customer service if you're facing a problem with the game. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Everything you need to know about Monopoly Go as a beginner. Hope that video was helpful.